What's going on, everybody? I'm out here just getting my exercise on, my fresh air on before I go get my work on. Get some meditation in out in the nature, in the wilderness. When I get to my destination, I'm gonna meditate for a minute. Then I'm going to finish my exercise. So, of course, I started this video when I got deeper into the woods, and right now I'm kind of like halfway into my walk. And what you hear in the background is BlakCkrown. That rhyme. Anyway, see some people out on the trail. Yeah. So, yes. It's real hilly out here, so I like to come out here, go up and down the hills. Kind of slippery. I got on my old steppers. They comfortable and durable. So, getting out and getting some fresh air, sunshine, and exercise, all is important for your mind, body, and your spirit. Been waiting for nature and exercise. I'll be off the chain. Yeah. So, I'm not here to do no promoting, none of that stuff. It's strictly, about what I'm doing right now. See somebody out here hiking with their pup. Hello. I don't too much like to put people on video without their permission. So keep that in mind if you're ever around me. You put me on a video without my permission. I'm superstitious in the motherfucker. They ain't got nothing to do with no type of status or nothing. I'm superstitious. I know what the fuck you doing. Oh yeah. Again, that music in the background. BlakCkrown. I guess I said I wasn't gonna be promoting, but JKG in particular, the artist that we're listening to. This is one area that I do meditate at, but I kind of don't like it no more. I like to be near water when I meditate. Or high as fuck in the sky. You know what time it is. I got my other phone in my pocket. That's why I put it down here so y'all can hear the music. Coming upon a lake. Kind of hard to be still when you're walking down these hills and sliding and slipping. Hope don't know gators jump out on me. Well, if they do, you know what we eating tonight? Gators. Straight up. Or snakes, one, don't matter. Whichever one jump out. Food chain at the top of it. Yeah, I think so. Unique. All right. So. And then y'all just come on this little voyage with me. So since I turned the video on, I haven't went not even a quarter of the track or of the trail. So I'm gonna let you chill with me for a minute, but not throughout my whole exploration, because I gotta come out here and get me some peace. So this phone is gonna be obsolete in a few minutes. You know, just letting y'all check out the peace and serenity. Water's bad motherfucker. I am on Reynolds Trail, Reynolds Park. One of the places I like to go on the planet to get away from the people of the planet. One of shit. Anywhere in nature. Some of y'all crazy as fuck. You know what I mean? Some of y'all motherfuckers is loon me. So, ain't got nothing to do earlier today, so I'll probably be out here for about another hour or two. And see what other adventures are for me today. Yeah, it'd be fun as fuck if I drop my phone in there. Yes, sir. I'm sweating. Got my stick wild animals be out here, you know, not to hurt anything, just to defend me. Plus it helps with my balancing. I'm going up these hills. Good to exercise and stretch with too. That's one thing I do when I come out here. Good meditation spot. Whenever there's not so many people out here, usually during the weekdays, you know, when all y'all regular people at work, that's when I come out and get some meditation on. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm gonna let y'all see these turtles over here. They always gather on these logs for sun, and I just noticed that a bunch of them are gathered together. First, let me show you how it is. It's a plug got stuck in a tree. Had to be years ago. That thing is in there, good in there. So, I'm gonna let y'all see these turtles. I'm about to fall in the lake. All along those two, that one tree sticking out the water. They out there getting some sun. They be all in this lake. There's a few fish out here. I saw a dude over there fishing. That's his business. Not supposed to be, but they ain't none of my business. Be some wild birds out here, too.